No, you're not seeing things. I'm actually riding with somebody today. That's right. It's Josh from the Each Adventure channel. We're out here in the desert and we are trying to head up to McIvers Cabin. It's the first time for him. He's never been in this area. And me, well, this is my third try. We'll see if I make it this time. I'm really confident that I will. But we'll have to wait and see. Now we're just chugging our way up this hill. This is a mountain. This ain't no hill. And here we are. We've made it to the forest. So nice to ride in the trees like this. I gotta tell you, this trail has deteriorated quite a bit since the last time I've been here. I don't think this is a maintained trail at all. And you can tell. Rock City. Whoa, look ahead. There we go. Wait. Well, here we are at the point where I turned around. Oh,
it looks rocky.
Yeah. This is just a little section. Okay. This is where I turned around on my first ride.
Okay.
I looked at this and I went, no thanks.
Was it the second one where it was all?
No, the very first time.
Okay.
It was almost my first or second video I posted.
Yeah.
I tried coming up here when I was like, I'd only been riding for a month. I'm like, oh, that looks easy on the map.
I've made that mistake before.
Yeah. So I turned around here, but. Oh! Yeesh! Well, I gotta tell you, I've got a lot more confidence in my riding ability and in the bike. And in knowing I've done this before. Ooh, that was poorly done. Ooh. And I guess it is kind of nice knowing if somebody's there behind me in case I get myself in trouble. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. There's some embedded rocks that are sticking out that are really hard to see. And every once in a while you just kind of go over this cliff and you're like, what was that? That was an embedded rock. Woo! Oh my God! I'm not sure if I should be going faster or not. Oh. Woo!
That's gonna be fun going back up.
Yeah, when I came down the second time, it's like, uh-oh. That's when I started getting the, you know, oh my God, I got to come up this. Yeah. All right. Am I ready for this? I guess so. Oh no. Woo! Just going down the middle. Oh my God. Oh, I was going to put my foot down and stop. Oh, I made it. Well, here's where I turned around the last time. Oh. Whoa. Whew. I'm picking some horrible lines, but I'm doing it. Wow. Look at that view. Oh.
I saw the fight.
that was a little hairy, but that's fun. I love that. I love technical stuff.
Yeah.
That's really what I want to ride. All right, it's my turn to chase Josh. Wow. He's much better at picking lines than I am. Much better. As he pulls away. And he is officially checked out. No way I'm catching him, not through these whoops. I don't know if it's, well, I don't know if it's the bike or the rider. Obviously it's the rider. Or his bike's set up better, but I have a hard time with the whoops. Especially those really big, steep ones. See if I can keep up with him. I thought it'd be easy, but it's actually nerve-wracking because you don't want to crash into him either. Just keep on the throttle. I'm trusting where he's going, so I'm almost not even looking at the ground. Whoa. I guess I gotta look at the ground just a little bit. It looks like he's actually jumping these whoops. His rear tire is coming completely off the ground. I think we may have arrived. Hey! Yes, we did. Yep, that's it. Let's check out the cabin, see what it's like inside. Well, it only took 3 tries, but I finally made it. Whew. It's got a stove. It's got a couple of bottles of water. Some decals here and there. But, hey, it's even got a carpet on the floor. And of course, it has a thermostat on the wall, so you can set the air conditioning and the heating to just the right temperature. And you can see there's actually a natural spring here, even though it's got a pipe. I still have running water. Cabin's just back in here, but the view around here from the front here, wow, you just see mountain range after mountain range after mountain range. Well, Josh gave me a pointer for handling these whoops. It was to really, really get back, get your weight back, and, you know, really pull on the bars to almost jump them. And I got to tell you, it's working. I'm actually doing a better job of going through the whoops right now. This is the start of a pretty gnarly uphill. I think I'll give him a little room. So I can see. Yes! Yes! On my second video, this is the hill I had all the trouble on. And though it's kind of tough and technical, man, I'm not even slowing down. Woo! Yeah. But it ain't over yet. I'm just motoring over everything. That's all you can do. Now I see. I always wondered, how the hell do guys do this? You just trust your bike, trust the suspension, keep your balance, and give it throttle. Oh, it's tiring on the arms though. You really got to pull back. Keep the front end light. Woo! Got kicked sideways there for a second. Woo! Yeah! That was cool.
That was gnarly.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Oh my god, this is fun. I know that I could do this stuff fairly easily, so I'm picking up the speed. And believe it or not, it actually makes things easier. Especially on this bike. The suspension will really, really soak stuff up. Instead of being timid. Ooh, sometimes you're just in the groove. Oh. Oh. I think I'm taking my cue from Josh, because he really works the trail. He goes back and forth and back and forth instead of just trying to find the straightest possible line. And sometimes that's a lot easier. Oh shit! I know. I was gonna hit it. I'm like, go to the left or go to it and grab it. I don't think so. I think the gravity will take it. That was funny. I got out of shape when I was staring at that rock. Just target fixation.
Yeah, it turned into a giant dust cloud, so I wasn't sure what was happening.
I just didn't want to go over that way.
Yeah.
Oh, that was funny. Well, a little off there. I didn't want to go all the way off the trail, so I slowed it down enough and I knew I could stop, and I just grabbed the tree. I knew that was a safe thing to do. Yeah, wow, it's a just incredible view from up here. Sometimes you just forget to stop and look. It's just so nice. Whew. I can see where you got to put a lot of trust and faith in your riding buddy, your riding partner, riding this close together. And even though this is our first time, I just got a feeling he's not going to do something weird. Cut me off, slam on the brakes, do something strange. Oh, got the front up on that one. Yes. So I can do it. It can be done. Just got to learn. Yes, jumping those whoops, as long as there's only one or two of them, are kind of fun. Oh. But when there's several of them in a row, I just can't do it. Whoa! Woo! I've never jumped whoops like this before, so this is kind of like my first time. It's fun. Whoa! I almost had the front end come up and over. Whew. That was a little higher than I wanted it.
You got some air off that one.
I know! My front end popped up. I've been actually jumping a bunch of them.
Yeah.
If there's only one or two, I could do it.
Yeah.
If it's a whole field of them, I get out of sync and it's like, ah!
Yeah. Oh, that was nice. That looked nice.
Yeah, I actually felt that. Well, we're trying a little offshoot here from the main road. We're not exactly sure where it goes. We just thought we'd give it a try. Whew. We're going up. I'll give him a little room so I can see. Woo! I tell you, all the practice out in the desert at El Mirage has really helped my hill climbs. Wow! Woo. Should I go back and help? No, it looks like he's got it going. Now it's going to be hard for him to get momentum going. Oh, he got it. There he goes. No problem. No problem whatsoever. Well, Josh just told me he had just turned the camera off. He wasn't filming. That's one of the reasons I film constantly, because you just never know when the action's going to happen. Ah, these are fun. These little up and down hills. Going through all the washes. Wow, look at that smoke and dust. There's just nothing like blasting through the desert. Sometimes it can get a little boring and old, but other times, man, it's a blast. And you're blasting through the desert. Whoa! Woo. There's a big dip washout. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! Oh. I don't know how I saved that, but I did. Oh, my helmet hit the handlebar. Wow! Smacked me right in the chin. Oh, that was a save. That was a save. Wow. I knew before I went up that hill that I took the wrong line. And that there was a big washout right at the top that I had to go right over. But instead of just kind of doing it, I think I kind of freaked myself out. Whew. Let's see. Oh. Oh. I almost ate it. I don't know if you saw it.
No, I didn't see.
That last big whoop going up that. It's supposed to be on the left. I went on the right. And there's a big washout.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, I think I know what you're doing.
I tried to get over it, and then I got squirrely and almost went off the side.
Oh, man.
Oh, my God. And my helmet hit this because it came up and hit me in the face.
Oh, really?
And just probably hit this too, yeah. Yeah, that was wild. Oh, my God. I'm thinking, I'm losing it.
I'm glad you didn't crash.
Yeah. It's nice out here, though.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels good. I think those clouds helped with the heat.
Yes. Yeah, it's not too hot today. Well, we're headed back to the truck. Our day is done. It was really nice riding with Josh. Had a great time. He's a good guy. Hope it's not my last time. I'm sure it won't be.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Now, get out of this virtual world and go make your own adventures. The amazing world is just outside your door.